It sounds crazy, but there's a reason that dozens of land investors have paid us almost $6,000 a month for our land investment systems, basically our front end operations all the way up until them talking to leads on the phone. This is not just a standard cold calling to get leads system. And what I'm going to do is go through what a really high level system that we've built, what that looks like, and give you an idea because it sounds astonishing, honestly, that someone's going to pay almost $6,000 a month for something to do with land investing. But I'll show you exactly what we're up to. And at the end of this, I'll even go through all of our systems and show you what those look like. But we have people paying between 6,000 and into the 20s of thousands per month for our services. And I think you'd be surprised what we're up to on the back end. So we'll go through all that. What this is a chance for you to try out professional cold calling for your land business, but not be stuck with what is essentially two terrible options. Option one is sign a $3,000 per month monthly contract with a 3-month commitment. Option two is building your own cold calling operation from scratch, hiring people, managing employees, and dealing with just the headaches that come along with that. Here's what most land investors face is they starting cold calling just feels like jumping off a cliff. You either have to risk thousands of dollars in a long-term contract before knowing if it's going to work, or you dive into the chaos of building your own team from scratch. So both those options leave you with some of the same fears, which is, what if the market doesn't work? What if I spend thousands testing something that fails? What if I get stuck in a contract that I can't get out of? So what we did was we built something completely different. That's why we built this. It's called the Landy Leads Test Drive. You can think of it as cold calling in a box. It's more than that, though. It's a complete done-for-you system that lets you test our professional cold calling service with zero risk and zero hassle. So here's exactly what you get when you join. I want to show you the intro offer here so you can see, what the entry looks like, but then I'll get into what a $20,000 per month system looks like, and I'll show you all the back end ops. So here's exactly what happens when you join. I'll talk to you personally. I'll review your markets with you. We can use some online tools and verify which markets you're using. My team will pull, skip trace, clean the data. So we'll take out landlocked, obviously duplicates, take out LLCs. We can maybe do the people who have not sold in the past year. We'll use a ChatGTP scrub to get out government entities. And then we'll do a litigator scrub. So we'll get you nice, clean skip trace data from data tree. Then we'll send it to our professional cold calling team that will start cold calling immediately. I will help you. This is a really interesting part. I'll help you create a professional introduction video. So what that looks like is I'll give you a proven script that works. Our AI technology will help edit out and give you perfect eye contact. So you can just read the script like this, but it'll look like you're looking into the camera. So you don't need to memorize it or do a bunch of takes. You'll look completely natural and professional, but it'll be easy. Hopefully one shoot. Then I'll build a powerful 60-second follow-up system that increases your chances of closing. And so what that looks like is your video will get texted to leads within about 60 seconds of the first contact. So they'll also get a professional email that shows your website that'll follow up immediately. You have the option for us to build you a quick custom website if you don't already have one. So it's going to show that you're a real professional person, and it gives that personal touch. Now, this is a Hormozy thing, but the power of this instant contact is why I started building this system out. Hormozy talks about, he's an expert ad person and a marketer. He talks about if you're able to contact a lead within 60 seconds of the first contact, it increases your conversion rate by 300%. That immediate second follow-up shows two things for you. One, that you are professional and that you're getting things done. You do what you're going to say. But then two, you're not a giant corporation. You're just a land investor who's out there working hard, and you're going to build a lot of rapport with that. So the best part about this is you don't lift a finger.